Do you want to be rich as a teenager? Here are 5 rules that will help you make money without leaving your home. Remember, to become rich, you need to learn how to do it. So watch this video until the end. The world of online business is booming, and it's an exciting time for teenagers to get in on the action. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, there are more opportunities than ever for young people to turn their passions into profitable ventures. Many teenagers are already making a name for themselves online, and it's not uncommon to see young entrepreneurs raking in thousands of dollars from the comfort of their own homes. The best part is that you don't need a lot of money or experience to get started. With a solid idea and a willingness to learn, you can start building your online business and making money in no time. Finding the right online business idea can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. You might have a lot of interests and skills, but it's hard to know which ones can actually make you money. Some ideas might require a lot of upfront costs or technical expertise, which can be a barrier for teenagers who are just starting out. You might also worry that you'll fail or that your business won't be successful. These are all valid concerns, and it's normal to feel overwhelmed when trying to navigate the world of online business. There are so many options out there, from selling products to offering services, and it can be hard to know where to start. You might have to try a few different things before you find what works for you. And even then, there's always a risk that something won't work out. But don't let that stop you. With persistence and the right mindset, you can overcome any obstacle and build a successful online business. The key is to find an idea that aligns with your strengths and interests. That way, you'll be more motivated to put in the work and make it happen. You should also consider how much time and money you have to invest. Some ideas might require a lot of upfront costs or technical expertise. Others might be more flexible, allowing you to start small and scale up as you grow. It's also essential to think about your target audience and what problems you can solve for them. By understanding your customers' needs and wants, you can create a business that meets their demands and builds a loyal following. When you're just starting out, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of launching a new business. But it's crucial to stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward even when things get tough. Let's dive into the top 5 online business ideas that are perfect for teenagers. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales you generate. The pros of affiliate marketing include low startup costs and the potential for passive income. However, it can be competitive, and you'll need to have a solid understanding of marketing and sales. The potential earnings for affiliate marketing vary widely, but successful affiliates can earn thousands of dollars per month. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche, find a product to promote, and start creating content to attract your target audience. You can start by building a website or social media presence and sharing your unique affiliate link with your followers. Another idea is selling products online through e-commerce. This could involve creating your own products or reselling existing ones. The pros of e-commerce include the potential for high earnings and the ability to reach a global audience. However, it can be challenging to stand out in a crowded market, and you'll need to have a solid understanding of logistics and customer service. The potential earnings for e-commerce vary widely, but successful online stores can earn tens of thousands of dollars per month. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche, find a supplier, and set up an online store. You can start by using platforms like Shopify or Etsy to create a professional-looking store and start selling your products. Freelancing is another great option for teenagers. This involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. The pros of freelancing include the potential for high earnings and the flexibility to work on your own terms. However, it can be competitive, and you'll need to have a solid portfolio and marketing strategy. The potential earnings for freelancing vary widely, but successful freelancers can earn thousands of dollars per month. To get started, you'll need to identify your skills, build a portfolio, and start pitching clients. You can start by using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients and start working on projects. Creating and selling online courses is another lucrative option. This involves creating a course on a topic you're knowledgeable about and selling it to students. The pros of online courses include the potential for passive income and the ability to share your expertise with others. However, it can be time-consuming to create a high-quality course, and you'll need to have a solid understanding of marketing and sales. The potential earnings for online courses vary widely, but successful course creators can earn thousands of dollars per month. To get started, you'll need to choose a topic, create your course content, and start marketing your course. You can start by using platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host and sell your course. Finally, we have YouTube and Twitch streaming. This involves creating content and building an audience on these platforms. The pros of YouTube and Twitch include the potential for high earnings and the ability to build a community around your content. However, it can be challenging to stand out in a crowded market, and you'll need to have a solid understanding of content creation and marketing. The potential earnings for YouTube and Twitch vary widely, but successful creators can earn thousands of dollars per month. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche, create high-quality content, and start building your audience. You can start by using platforms like YouTube or Twitch to create and share your content. Out of all these ideas, I think creating and selling online courses is one of the most promising options for teenagers. This is because it allows you to share your knowledge and expertise with others while generating passive income. Many successful online course creators started out as teenagers, and it's a great way to build a loyal following and earn money at the same time. The demand for online learning is on the rise, and there's a huge potential for growth in this market. By creating a high-quality course, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build a loyal following. This can lead to more opportunities, such as speaking engagements, coaching, or even creating a membership site. The key is to find a topic you're passionate about and have a solid understanding of. Then, you can create a course that provides value to your students and helps them achieve their goals. With the right mindset and strategy, you can build a successful online course business and start earning money as a teenager. This idea stands out from the rest because it has a huge potential for growth and can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. It's also a great way to share your knowledge and make a positive impact on others. By creating a successful online course, you can build a loyal following and earn money while making a difference. To recap, we've covered 5 online business ideas that are perfect for teenagers: affiliate marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, creating and selling online courses, and YouTube and Twitch streaming. Each of these ideas has its pros and cons, but they all have the potential to generate significant earnings and provide valuable experience. The key is to find an idea that aligns with your strengths and interests and then put in the work to make it happen. With persistence and the right mindset, you can build a successful online business and start earning money as a teenager. If you have any other ideas or experiences with online business, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and online business. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies.